Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix EIN mismatch e-file reject in TurboTax. This error typically occurs when there's a discrepancy between the employer identification number you entered and what the IRS has on file. So let's walk through how to correct this and get your filing back on track. Start by opening your TurboTax app. To do this, open a browser and head to turbotax.intuit.com. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials now to access your account. This will bring you to your main TurboTax dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your tax return. Once your account has loaded, you'll need to navigate to where your W-2 information is stored. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Federal. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear with several options. From here, hover your cursor over Income and the menu will expand further, revealing additional categories. From the expanded options, click on Wages and Salaries. This section houses all the wage and salary information you've entered, including your employer identification numbers. This is where your EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is stored from your previous filing. The EIN mismatch reject happens when the number you've entered doesn't match what the IRS expects, often due to a simple typo or mixed up digits. From here, locate your filed W-2 form and click on Edit. This will open up the detailed view of your W-2 information where you can make corrections. On the first page that appears, you can directly see the EIN field. This is the critical field you need to review carefully. Simply enter the correct EIN if you have a mismatch issue. Most likely, this error occurred due to a typo or numbers being mixed up during initial entry. Make sure to check everything this time before proceeding, as accuracy here is essential for your e-file to be accepted by the IRS. Once you've changed and corrected your EIN, scroll down and click on Continue. This will save your changes and update your return with the accurate information. And that's it. You've successfully corrected the EIN mismatch in TurboTax, and your return should now be ready to file without rejection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.